Welcome to problem 7 from chapter 13. In this particular case, I've already loaded or preloaded the Starbucks data set. As you can see on the screen, we're asked to calculate the y-intercept, and the independent variable, or the variable that we want, is plate gap, not viscosity and not pressure. So it doesn't say that particularly clearly in the question. And so in this case, we're testing the plate gap and the tear rating. So we will go to data. We will go to data analysis, and we're going to pick regression. We go OK. Now we have to be a bit careful when we do this. So the y input, that's the if you were to draw this on an XY graph, you go tear would be the y graph and x would be the plate gap. So the plate gap causes the tears, not the other way around. So we select A1 to 20. Make sure that your labels are selected or clicked on. And then the plate gaps are D1 to 20. I'm going to use an output range. I'm going to select output range. I'll just put it here. As long as it's not overwriting the data, you're okay. It could be anywhere on the screen except A1 to D20. So just don't overwrite the data. Anywhere on the screen is fine. And then we go, okay. So in this particular case, the answers are for the question, at least this particular problem. And cell H19 is the y-intercept, and in H20 is the slope of 0.5, just like we had seen in the Word version of this. And so you can see that the slope is positive 0.5, so half a tear per plate gap. So if you have one plate gap, your tear rating would go up by 0.5, like was presented in the Word version of this. And again, I'm not going to bother with the scatter diagram because you did that way back in an earlier chapter.